Welcome to Vishwa's Genius Hub, where knowledge meets curiosity. Test your knowledge with fun and exciting quizzes on Indian history, science and more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing quiz content. Let's get started. Question number 1. Who was the first ruler of the Maurya dynasty? A. Ashoka. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Bindusara. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 2. Which famous Indian emperor converted to Buddhism after the Kalinga War? A. Ashoka. B. Samudragupta. C. Chandragupta Maurya. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Ashoka. Question number 3. What was the capital of the Gupta Empire? A. Pataliputra. B. Ujjain. C. Ayodhya. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Pataliputra. Question number 4. Which famous battle in 1526 marked the beginning of Mughal rule in India? A. Battle of Panipat. B. Battle of Plassey. C. Battle of Kanwa. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Battle of Panipat. Question number 5. Who was the founder of the Maratha Empire? A. Shivaji Maharaj. B. Shankaracharya. C. Balaji Bajirao. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Shivaji Maharaj. Question number 6. Who was the first Viceroy of India? A. Lord Canning. B. Lord Mountbatten. C. Lord Curzon. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Lord Canning. Number 7. The Salt March of 1930 was organized by which leader? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Subhas Chandra Bose. C. Mahatma Gandhi. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 8. Which Indian freedom fighter is known for his role in the Kakori train robbery? A. Bhagat Singh. B. Chandrasekhar Azad. C. Ram Prasad Bismil. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Ram Prasad Bismil. Question number 9. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? A. Lala Lajpat Rai. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. Subhas Chandra Bose. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 10. In which year did India gain independence from British rule? A. 1945. B. 1947. C. 1950. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. 1947. Question number 11. Which of the following was the main aim of the Quit India movement? A. To demand self-rule for Indians. B. To demand complete independence from British rule. C. To seek separate states for Hindus and Muslims. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. To demand complete independence from British rule. Question number 12. Who was the first woman to become the Prime Minister of India? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Kasturba Gandhi. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Indira Gandhi. Question number 13. Which battle marked the beginning of British dominance in India? A. Battle of Plassey. B. Battle of Panipat. C. Battle of Buxar. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Battle of Plassey. Question number 14. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Lord Mountbatten. C. Rajagopalachari. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Lord Mountbatten. Question number 15. Which scripture is considered the oldest in Indian history? A. Rig Veda. B. Bhagavad Gita. C. Upanishads. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Rig Veda. 16. Which freedom struggle leader gave the famous Tryst with the Destiny speech? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Subhash Chandra Bose. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 17. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? A. Lata Mangeshkar. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Kamala Devi Chattopadhyaya. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Sarojini Naidu. Question number 18. Which was the first newspaper published in India? A. The Times of India. B. The Hindu. C. The Bengal Gazette. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. The Bengal Gazette. Question number 19. Who composed the Arthashastra? A. Kalidasa. B. Kautilya. C. Banabhatta. Your time starts now. The correct answer is a Kautilya. Question number 20. Who founded the Indian National Congress? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. A.O. Hume. C. Lala Lajpat Rai. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. A.O. Hume. Question number 21. Who was the first person to sign the Indian National Congress's Declaration of Independence in 1930? A. Subhash Chandra Bose. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Lala Lajpat Rai. Your time starts now. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 22. Which of the following was a key leader of the Khilafat movement in India? A. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Shaukat Ali. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Shaukat Ali. Number 23. In which year did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? A. 1920. B. 1919. C. 1930. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. 1919. Question number 24. The first non-cooperation movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in which year? A. 1915. B. 1919. C. 1920. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. 1920. Question number 25. Who was the last Governor General of India? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. C. Rajagopalachari. C. Lord Canning. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. C. Rajagopalachari. And that's the end of today's exciting journey into the world of Indian history. How many answers did you get right? Be sure to share your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to subscribe the channel Vishwas Genius Hub and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with more fun and knowledge. Until then, stay curious and keep learning.